Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth chicken soup updated. Start by gathering roasted bones, aromatics, and cold water, then bring to a gentle simmer. Skim foam early, add apple cider vinegar to help extract nutrients, and maintain low heat for hours. Strain carefully, cool quickly, and refrigerate or freeze in portions. Finish by adding shredded chicken, vegetables, and seasoning before serving. Collect bones and simple aromatics, then choose a pot or slow cooker and plan for patience. Cover bones with cold water and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar to help draw minerals out. Bring to a slow simmer and avoid boiling, which clouds broth. Maintain a low simmer for several hours, occasionally skimming foam, then strain into clean containers. Return broth to pot to finish soup additions when ready. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup after soup night effortless, and it even navigates crumbs and splatters while you rest. It's a handy time saver you might enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Plan a cooking window based on your schedule and the bones you use. 6 hours gives flavor, 12-24 hours yields richer gelatin. Maintain a barely there simmer and check occasionally, skimming any scum from the surface during the first hour. When done, strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth, cool quickly in an ice bath, and store in the fridge or freezer. Use as a soup base or sip it straight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.